I'm going to show you how to make a toum, which is a Lebanese garlic sauce. It does have a kick of garlic, so if you don't like garlic, this is not for you. But it is fantastic with charcoal chicken, or like I'm doing today, serving it with some falafel. I've got 8 cloves of garlic. I'll place into a mortar and pestle, along with a generous pinch of salt. And I want to break down the garlic until it's really soft and sticky. Okay, now that we have our very strong garlic paste, I'm just going to scoop it out of the mortar and pestle, and I'll pop this into a jug. And now some lemon, just half a lemon that I'll squeeze directly into the jug. And now we can start emulsifying this with some good quality Australian extra virgin olive oil. Now I'm going to use a light extra virgin olive oil. It's subtle in flavour, so it's not going to overpower the garlic. It's perfect for this type of mayonnaise style dressing. So a little bit to start with, and we'll blitz, and then I'll slowly drizzle in the rest of the light olive oil. Okay, this is getting really thick now. Look at that, just like mayonnaise. And to thin it out, all I add is just a splash of very cold water. So about a teaspoon or so, and then give it one more little blend. There you have it, a fantastic garlic sauce made with olive oil and garlic. And to serve it up, I like to add a spoonful onto a plate. We'll just smear that to be a little fancy. We'll add some of our gorgeous falafel, some pickled chilies, and then just some parsley. There you go. And because I'm heroing delicious extra virgin olive oil, why not a little extra olive oil and a pinch of salt? There you go. That is a delicious Lebanese sauce. It is fantastic with falafel, but also with any barbecued meat. But beware, there's a lot of garlic in it, so take it easy, especially if you're going home to your loved ones, if you know what I mean.